Hi students, see that is the question. You are provided with two containers made up of copper and aluminum. So we are having the container student, and that one container is what is that is the copper, and another computer container that is what is the zinc student Zn. Not Zn, it is aluminum actually. I am sorry. Copper and aluminum is there. Okay. You are also provided with a solution of dilute HCl, HNO3 and H2O. So what are we are having? They are see dilute HCl is there. Dilute HCl, dilute HNO3, dilute HNO3, and the last one is the H2O is there. So see student what we can do. The solution of dilute HCl, dilute HNO3 and ZnCl2 and H2O are kept in the container made up of copper. Since copper is less reactive metal and is placed below the hydrogen in the reactivity series, hence it does not react with HCl, HNO3 or ZnCl2 and H2O. While aluminum is highly reactive metal, can react with these solution. Thus, container made up of copper is suitable to keep the solution. Okay, this is what the answer they are saying, student. But that answer is not, of course, correct one. Okay, let us see. That is react copper with the copper does not react with dilute HCl, so letter can be stored. Okay, means that is copper and you are taking HCl, so no reaction. So no reaction means it means if the copper container is there, you can fill with the HCl. Okay, now see the next one. Nitric acid, dilute nitric acid cannot be stored in copper vessel as following chemical reaction. Copper plus nitric acid, it is giving copper nitrate. So nitric acid you cannot put here. Nitric acid not possible in HCl. No, HNO3, you cannot place this HNO3 in the copper. So that is what. Now go for the another one. ZnCl2. ZnCl2 can be stored in copper vessels and no reaction takes place because copper is less reactive metal than zinc can't displace. So that is what that is. Here that is ZnCl2 you can be stored, and obviously water also can be stored. So this is what the answer is. H2O, no reaction occurs between copper and water, so can be stored in the copper vessel. Now go for the aluminum. Dilute HCl, aluminum react with the dilute HCl to form its salt. Thus, HCl cannot be stored in the aluminum vessel. So that is what is the answers. If you are placing that is HCl, so it is not possible to place the HCl in the aluminum. Next one. See, dilute nitric. Aluminum react with nitric acid to form passive layer of aluminum oxide which protect the aluminum from further oxidation. Therefore, dilute nitric acid can be stored in the aluminum vessel. It means in the aluminum vessel you can place the HNO3, and obviously that is water you can place because the water is not reactive with the aluminum. Okay, cold water do not react, student. Uh, Let us see that is aluminum being more reactive metal than zinc displays later form its solution. Thus, zinc chloride cannot be stored in the aluminum vessels. So that is again problem. But water aluminum does not react with the cold water, and hence, and when attacked by steam also it forms the protective aluminum oxide layer which prevent further reaction. So this is you cannot place what is, student, you cannot place that is ZnCl2. Okay, you cannot place ZnCl2 in the aluminum container. So this is you keep in mind, student, where the ZnCl2 is there and you are adding Al, so it is going to be what, it is going to react and AlCl3 will form and Zn will form. Okay, so you cannot use that one. So keep in mind, student, this is quite tricky questions. Okay, thank you so much for watching.